Hey everybody, here I am with Matt Cody, the man behind the wheel of Blue Thunder. Now Matt, a lot of these Cleveland fans, they recognize you. You were competing in this building right here last year, and I know you were talking to me just a moment ago off camera that you weren't able to take any competition wins last year, but this is a new year. Do you feel like because you competed here already, you have a little bit of a leg up, you kind of know what to expect from the fans, from the dirt, from the entire building, the way it performs?
You know, a little bit, every weekend, every year it changes, you know. This could be different from last year, it could be wet, it could be more dry. So you can't really play that condition. But man, I got to meet a lot of fans that did a trip party that were here last year that remember me. It's always great seeing people that you meet last year. Like you said, I didn't get no wins last year. I think I broke the truck up a little bit, had a little bit of a funk last year, but you know, it's New Year's 2019. My truck's 100%. Hopefully, at least, if not, it's not going to be at the end of this show, I can tell you that. You guys just got to get loud, get crazy. A lot of you guys get, a lot of we're going to get.
Now you would be another one of our athletes, and we are so proud that this tour would be so heavily represented to compete for a World Championship at Monster Jam World Finals. Specifically for you, it would be behind the wheel of the Speedster, which I think is maybe the most challenging part of the entire Triple Threat Series competition. And this is something that you've become so good at. I know you don't want to give away too much because your competitors are listening down in the locker room, but do you have a secret to play such good defense, know when to jump on offense behind the wheel of that Speedster?
I really don't have anything going on for me. You know, once I put that helmet on, it's game on. I'm not even paying attention to anything but winning the thing that you said. I won 2 back-to-back last week and 2 back-to-back the weekend before. I'm coming into Cleveland here, hoping to take off 4. Moving on up to the rank of 5th rank right now. Just trying to get to number 1. Trying to go to that Orlando Monster Jam World Finals for the first time. And hopefully take that win. It would be a great thing. You guys just, like I said, get loud, get crazy, get on your seats, jump, do backflips, whatever you got to do to get loud and pump us up. Because the more you guys are pumped up, the more we're going to pump up. We're going to send that truck, we're going to break it, whatever we got to do. So Cleveland, holler if you hear me.